Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. When I was living in Toronto, a friend of mine told me how much he enjoyed avocados, but never bought any because he didn't know how to prepare them. I showed him how, but there might be some of you, just like my friend, who don't know either. Here's a quick tutorial. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll prepare the avocado by cutting it in half and twist the two halves apart. Then, carefully using the blade of the knife, we'll chop into the stone so the blade is embedded in it. Then gently turn the knife to remove the avocado stone. Now, to remove the flesh, we'll use a tablespoon and scoop it out, just like this. To prevent the flesh of the avocados turning brown, squeeze some lime juice over. As you saw in this video, it is extremely easy to quickly prepare an avocado without a lot of mess. I hope you enjoy tips and tricks of the day, and for more info, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!